Thai food. People say it's spicy, exotic, colorful. But it's not just that. Look beyond the obvious, and you'll see that behind every dish is a philosophy, one that's shared among Thailand's best chefs. A quest for perfection that begins from the smallest details. Whether it's a stem of herb from up north or a touch of spice from down south. A passion that goes beyond flavors, one that inspires balance and harmony in every creation. A deep respect for details, a resolve that fuels the pursuit of craftsmanship. It's a Thai philosophy called Lamiet. A shared passion that brings people together. And just like our cuisine, Lamiet comes to life in every bottle of Chang.